So let's fix your brightness problem. So we only have two methods for that, easy two methods. First, you need to go here for device manager and maximize it. And here you need to locate monitors. This is my monitor. Right click on it, go to properties, go to driver. If you have rollback driver option not grayed out, that means if it's available, just click on it. That it will install the previously downloaded driver that was working for you. So if that's not grayed out, you need to just click on it and proceed with that option. If that is grayed out in many cases, in my cases as well, you need to go and update driver, search automatically for drivers. If you see this thing here, so that means you have already installed the best drivers. If not, you need to go for browse drivers and pick next, and also here and go for again and let me pick, and there you go. This I have this driver installed or in my disk. So press next and it's installing the driver and it is successfully downloaded. After that, restart your PC. And the second method would be updating your software or updating your Windows. For that, go to search, here go for setting, and here go for Windows update, and make sure you update it to the latest version. And these are only two fixes you can do softwarely to fix your issue. If not, then you need to check it too physically if there's any damage or anything. So this was it, all I can do about it. If you find it useful, please hit like, subscribe and share, and I think you have a very nice day.